You drive at 23 meters per second toward a singer singing at 212 hertz. Okay, so you are moving, and we want to know what you hear, right? So if this is moving observer, so we're going to use this formula. Shifted frequency is original frequency, and then it's V plus or minus the University of Oregon, right, over V. There it is, right? And then are we approaching? We're going toward them, right? We're approaching. So that's going to lead to a higher frequency. Okay? I'm pretty sure that in this one we want to use the plus to make a higher frequency, because then that'll make the numerator bigger and we'll end up with a higher number here. Let's just try that though. Now remember, if we know it's got to be higher. If we end up, after all the calculating, with a lower number, we will reject that and go back to this thing and use the other sign. Okay? But I'm fairly confident about this. Okay, so 212, that's our original frequency, right? Okay, 23 meters per second, that's the velocity of the observer, right? So 343 is the speed of sound, plus 23 divided by 343. Okay, let's try this. 212 times parentheses 343 plus 23 divided by 343. 226.2 hertz. I think we're good, right? We got a lower frequency. No, we got a higher frequency because we're approaching, so I think we're good.